9 Live, the ultimate breakdown of what's happening to our planet and what we can do about it. I'm your host, Sky Carbon.
Okay.
Snap.
I'm Coral Reef. And I'm Rainforest.
And I'm Blaze Heatwave. Buckle up, Earthlings, because Unit 9 is a wild ride. Let's kick things off with the ozone drop.
Now reporting on section 9.1, stratospheric ozone depletion. You've heard of the ozone layer, our planet's sunscreen, but human-made chemicals like CFCs broke it down. These sneaky compounds rose up and released chlorine atoms that destroyed ozone molecules. Boom! Holes formed, especially over Antarctica. More UV rays equals more skin cancer, cataracts, and crop damage. Yikes.
But don't panic, we fought back. Enter the Montreal Protocol of 1987, a global agreement to phase out ozone-eating substances. Thanks to this treaty, ozone levels are bouncing back. Team Earth for the win.
Now to section 9.3. Closer to home, the greenhouse effect. Naturally, it's a good thing. It traps heat and makes Earth livable. But we've turned up the heat by adding too many greenhouse gases like CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide. Result, a warmer world.
Now on to section 4. And where are these gases coming from? Burning fossil fuels, agriculture, and deforestation. You name it. CO2 from cars and factories, CH4 from cows and landfills, and N2O from fertilizers. These gases trap more heat than ever. Earth's getting toasty.
Now on to section 9.5, global climate change. And now the consequences are rolling in. Ice caps melting, sea levels rising, heat waves, droughts, and floods. Whole ecosystems are shifting. Coral reefs are bleaching, polar bears are panicking, and climate refugees are on the move. This is not a drill.
On to section 9.6. Our oceans are like climate sponges. They've soaked up 90% of excess heat. But the cost? Coral reef destruction, marine species migration, and messed up food webs. Even hurricanes are getting more intense. Poseidon is not pleased.
As oceans absorb CO2, they turn more acidic. That's bad news for organisms like shellfish and corals that rely on calcium carbonate. Their homes are literally dissolving. Say goodbye to your seafood platter.
Let's talk invaders, not aliens, but invasive species. When non-native species like zebra mussels or Burmese pythons enter new ecosystems, they outcompete local species and wreak havoc. They're fast, fierce, and hard to control.
Now on to section 9.9. With all these pressures, many species are now endangered. Habitat loss, poaching, pollution, climate change, they're all threats. From elephants to bees, biodiversity is plummeting. But conservation efforts like protected areas and breeding programs offer hope.
Now on to Unit 9.10. Humans have changed the planet faster than evolution can keep up. HIPCO sums it all up. Habitat loss, invasive species, population growth, pollution, climate change, and overharvesting. But with awareness and action, we can protect what's left.
So what now?
Vote green, eat clean, reduce your carbon footprint, and help conserve wildlife.
The planet's future is in our hands, and we've got the tools to make a difference.
She was a fairy. Yeah, yeah.